Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this photo dump for a TikTok video. So here I'm using CapCut to edit the photo dump video. What you need to do is just prepare your photos like this. I have prepared 30 photos, and you can just set each of the photo durations into 0.1 seconds like this. And then you can add the audio that you want. You can add any music that you want. For example, here I'm going to just add this ones right here. Click on the plus icon. Now you can trim the audio to match with the photo duration. Now you can just tap on export and open it again in a new project. You can tap on new project and then choose the video that you just saved. Click on add, and now click on the video here. Find the motion blur options. You can just click on your video. Okay, click on the motion blur. In here you can adjust the blur and the blend to how you like it, and then you can click on a check icon and just wait until CapCut applying the motion blur effect to your photo dump video. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.